Welcome back, everyone. We're in the garage today. I got some good news, or bad news, depends how you want to take it. The Harley Davidson is gone. I have sold that beast, and I got to tell you, the gentleman that bought the bike was ecstatic. Got a good deal on that bike. So it is what it is. That's gone. It's time for the new bike that I just picked up. I say new, but it's used, new to me. It's a, well, let's go show you. There she is, 2014 Kawasaki KLR 650. This bike's been sitting around for quite some time, but overall it's in good condition. It does need a really good cleaning. This bike has 5,814 miles. I'm gonna take the camera, walk you around the bike, show you some things that need to be addressed. And of course, because this bike's been sitting for so long, I am going to go through the whole bike. We're going to change the engine oil, the antifreeze, the brake fluid in the front and rear brake systems on this bike. We're going to check the bearings and make sure all the bearings are good, the steering bearings, the wheel bearings, the chain. I'll show you that. That needs a lot of work. It's going to need a battery. But let me walk you around this and you guys can get a closer look. This piece here where the battery goes, the previous owner bent this piece out to get the battery out of the compartment here. The bolt right here is probably rusted in there and they couldn't get it out, so they had to bend that. So I'm gonna have to work that out, replace that bolt, and go from there before I can put the battery in there. The left front turn signal, you can see that it's broken. This all needs to be replaced. I ordered some adapter kit where I can remove this section here, and this will be butted right to the fairing. And I'm gonna do all four. I think it'll look better. There is rust buildup on the engine guard. There's a little bit of rust buildup. That's all this rust, all this minor rust is gonna be treated with some rust treatment, and then we're gonna paint everything flat black. You can see here the chain's got quite a bit of rust on it. It does look good, and a quick assessment of it, everything seems to be okay. The links seem to not be bounded up. The front sprocket, rear sprocket, all looks good. This did come with bags, hard aluminum bags. You got the two side bags, and it came with a, I don't know, tow pack, trunk, whatever you want to call it. Looks like there might be an issue here. They're using a what appears to be a half-inch copper tubing. So I'm gonna have to look into this and see why that's like that. Maybe I can fix it, or maybe I can brace that up a little bit better than what it is now. The rear signal light also damage over here on this rubber, and again that kit is going to eliminate this right here, and it's going to bring this light closer to the frame. Rear heat shield for the muffler, you can see there's quite a bit of rust on there. Again, it's not bad. Rust treatment and some flat VHT high temp paint should take care of that, make it look decent. Right engine guard, you got rust on it in certain areas. Again, flat black, and we should be good to go with that. The rear brakes, I'm gonna have to take the brake caliper off, check the brake pads, make sure they're okay, and then we're gonna bleed the brake system and get all that brake fluid that's been sitting in there out of the system, because I'm sure it's got a ton of moisture in it. Oil filter, engine oil, it's all gonna have to be changed. We're also gonna change the radiator fluid, antifreeze. I'm hoping the carburetor is not plugged up. If it has to be, we'll have to remove that. I know the engine is not frozen up because I was able to turn it with the rear wheel. Overall, the wheel looks good. The tire actually looks like it's good. We're gonna go ahead and remove that brake caliper, check the brake pads, make sure they're good, make sure the caliper's good, clean it up if need be, and change the fluid on that front brake system. Now, this bike was dropped on this side. I don't know if you can see, but there is a crack here on this fairing. I was thinking about replacing this, but then I'm thinking, hey, if I drop this bike, I'm on dirt or something, I drop it, I might crack it again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna put a metal plate in here, right? And just rivet the metal plate just to hold this. The handguard, it is broken right here or cracked. Doesn't look to be too bad to the point where I need to replace it at this point in time, but I might do some weld-on 16, see if that'll hold that together, and you know, is what it is. I might upgrade the hand grips, we'll see. I will be installing a plate here with a couple of sockets for power, for GPS, phone, or whatever else I put on here. This thing's had a couple of upgrades. It's got the front fork stabilizer, and it's got the smaller fender headlight protector, a taller windshield. The original fender, the original windshield's in there. Now I got 2 seats. He's got the original seat, and then he's got this smaller, low-profile seat. It's supposed to be more comfortable because it's made out of different material. I don't know. We'll have to try it. These are the side covers, so I can get to the battery and the air cleaner. This is a Triumph Tour Pack, and then the bike has the 2 bags on the side, which are made by Tusk. They're aluminum bags. Really nice setup. Really deep bags. I like the hooks on top because it seems like, you know, you can tie a tent, sleeping bag, whatever you need to the top of these. So here's some of the stuff that I already acquired for the job. The engine oil filter, spark plug, brand new battery, the air filter, and this is what we're going to be using at some point to neutralize the rust. VHT flame-proof flat black, and then engine degreaser and carb cleaner if I should need it. What else to say? Well, that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to show you the bike, let you know what the next project is. Once this project is complete, I'm going to be doing a lot more riding, and I'm going to kind of lay off fixing the bikes for a while. Not that I don't want to fix any more bikes, it's just that I want to get out and ride more while I still can do it, because you never know what tomorrow's going to bring. But anyway, I'm going to leave you with that. Any comments, questions, put them down below. And hopefully you'll join me for the next few videos on the work I do to this, which I don't think it should be that bad, but we'll see. All right, as usual, you all God bless, and I hope you have a great day.